My name is Vincent Melomo. I'm an associate professor of anthropology here at Peace. I'm also chair of the Department of Culture, History, and Politics. I've been teaching here for probably just a little over 20 years. I started teaching here part-time initially, then I started working here in the first year program and teaching anthropology part-time, and then about 2008 or 9, I was offered a full-time position in anthropology, and so I've been in the anthropology department since. Really what drew me most to anthropology, kind of two things. One is the way of understanding the kinds of perspectives that it offered. So thinking about humans and in just sort of the big picture, big time scale way. Lots of other fields, philosophy, psychology, literature, help us to understand who we are. I find anthropology's focus on both, our biological cells, as well as specificity of culture and how that shapes us, to be especially powerful. The other part of it really was the classes. The classes that I took had a lot of what we are calling here peace immersive learning. I went to a small private school outside of New York City called Delphi University. And so for anthropology courses there, for one of them, I had to go into the city and go to museums and look at artifacts and aspects of cultural history as, for an assignment for a class. And for an archaeology class I took, we did weekend digs. I just found myself just enjoying doing that stuff, right? I like going to museums. I like being outside, on a weekend, working in the ground, and that basic experience just kind of made me interested in doing more with it. Being able to provide the opportunity to do actual field research for students and for myself has really been kind of the high point of teaching. It's just been so rewarding to see students get so much out of it, to work so hard, to be so dedicated, and to have a lot of fun doing it, getting to know each other, etc. I think it's changed and shaped my life otherwise significantly in terms of whom I've been able to interact with. One of the things that has drawn me to anthropology are the people that are interested in anthropology. It's a community of people who are just interested in the world and curious about all sorts of things, and some of the smartest people I've known. Being an anthropologist brings me into contact with all sorts of different groups, peoples, communities in ways that I'm terribly grateful for, and I think is a very valuable part of the whole experience.